Hello and welcome to the Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up a timer on our HUAWEI P60 Pro phone. To set up a timer, we just need to tap our clock that is by default right here on the screen, or we can search for our clock icon. We will go to the same screen. Now, timer is right here. To set it up, we simply choose hours, minutes, seconds. Let's try it out. 3 seconds. It's working. Please stop. And it's done. We can change sound for our alarm. And that's it. It's very simple to use. It's very easy. As you can see, I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.